Bundys Garage. Bundy here. Today I'm working on a 2002 first generation Toyota Sequoia, but this will also work on your Tundras as well, kind of the same setup. So what's going on here is this plug, this cigarette lighter plug works, okay? These two down here do not. The ones that are on your passenger side, near the left knee of your passenger, these two don't work. All right, I want to show you the fuses that control these two. They're on two different circuits. There's a fuse for these two, and there's a fuse for this one as well, all right? Okay, so if you come here, and you're on the driver's side, you get this panel right here. These are where your two fuses are, all right? So the fuse for the two cigarette lighters on the passenger side is right here, this 15 amp fuse. All right, I'm gonna light it up with the laser right here so you guys can see which one it is. That one right there. So it's all the way to the far right and second from the bottom. So this 15 amp fuse, hopefully you guys can see that right where my finger is at, right above my finger right there, okay? And then the second one, this for the driver's side, is right, no, the fuse, if you have rows 1, 2, 3, 4, it's on the second row and the very top one, the bottom one from that, the 15 amp fuse right there, okay? So I'm gonna pull it out. Got some needle nose pliers right here. See, it's on. Got the needle nose pliers on it. Pull that sucker out. Now it's off. Okay. Stick it back in here. Boom. That's the fuse that covers that covers the driver's side cigarette lighter. Get that back in there. Okay, now what's happening is this 15 amp fuse is not getting any power at all. I have the key on, the engine's not running, just the key on the on position. You don't have to have the key on when you're doing this. It's best if you don't, just in case you're worried about, you know, blowing another fuse or something. But this fuse right here for the passenger side, two cigarette lighters, is not working. No power to it whatsoever. Stuff that I've been reading online is that there's a relay on the backside of this fuse panel, and that relay goes out. So I might replace the relay or bypass it. But you have to take these panels off to get to it. I'll put a link down in the description to that video, but this is just a short, quick video showing you the two fuses, the two fuse locations for the passenger and the driver's side cigarette lighters. All right, so there you go, guys. Hopefully this has helped you out. If you can, subscribe. A lot of the people that watch my channel are not subscribers, so if you can, you want to help me out in 2025, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, hit all notifications. It's free. Doesn't cost you anything to subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Put a link down. I'll put a link down in the description. 1, 2. I can talk. Just chill.